Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Today's episode is Make Money Online. Is it easy? Affiliate marketing step by step. So let's answer the first question right after you hit the subscribe button and the notification. All right, so making money online. Like everybody's talking about doing it. People are doing it. Like you see all these people, like these people making like a crazy amount of money. Is that possible? Absolutely, guys. It's like there's incredible amount of money to be made online. Is it easy? Well, the steps you have to do are actually easy. It's not like going and digging a ditch. Nothing wrong with digging a ditch, but it's not physical labor. Is it mental labor? Yes. The biggest tax on your system is going to be your mental being when you get started because you're going to be chasing shiny. You're going to be chasing the next shiny thing. And then just look guys, let me show you this. So I'm sure you've seen a page like this. If you're on my team, you've probably seen a page. Oh, why is my screen so zoomed in? Interesting. Let me try to fix that. Well, so basically, here's what it is in a nutshell. Why you see landing pages like this is people are trying to get you onto their email list because at the end of the day, all the money is made with an email list. And yes, a lot of people love to go do Amazon drop shipping, which is a huge thing. And why do you want to do that, or why don't you want to do that? Well, drop shipping, it can be really expensive. You have to go outsource the stuff, you have to warehouse the stuff, you have to get it to there. Or maybe you're just gonna, or that's fulfillment. If you want to just do drop shipping, well, it's just there's a ton of complications, and if you hit the wrong one, you're not going to make any money. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is really easy. You can just go become an Amazon affiliate. Now, are you going to make a ton of money? Probably not, because their commissions actually, as of halfway through this year, they cut them in half. So, can you make a lot of money? Yes. If you build out a niche site, and you pour a whole bunch of content into it and get like ranking at the top, and then so it's, left-handed knives, right? And all you do is blog about left-handed knives and chefs and recipes and left-handed knives, and then you advertise, like, buy left-handed knives or other cooking stuff on your blog. I'm just saying, I'm using cooking. It could be anything. It could be fishing. It could be building cabins. I don't know. But then you could sell those things, right? There's a ton of work. You have to continue to you always be putting content. Now, the golden thing is to build a massive email list and basically hit send when you need money. I know that sounds bizarre. I know you're like, oh, but Glenn, email. Like, I get so much email. Yeah, but it still works. It's crazy, but it still works. You know, a lot of people think that advertising on TV is crazy. Like you see that ad over and over and over and over and over again, right? Because they're conditioning you to, when you think about that, so that you're going to go buy it, right? When you think that you need that, you're going to go buy it. So here's where the mental part of affiliate marketing comes in. So going back to the page I showed you, that is a landing page, right? It's a great landing page. It basically captures people that are looking for business opportunities, and it puts them onto my email list, right? And you can click it. It's the first link. You can go join and you can get on my email list. And you can even copy the emails you're going to get from me. You're going to get numerous emails from me, probably one or two every single day. And what I'm going to be showing you are different products that make you money online. And you're probably going to see the same product over and over, just like TV, right? So what happens is this, and this is a person that first comes into affiliate marketing. They first learn about affiliate marketing. They go to a place like called. Let me see if I can get this one to work on my screen. Yeah, so Clickbank, right? So people will go to Clickbank, and the first thing they're going to do is they're going to go get an account, get a link, and they're going to go spam it everywhere without even collecting an email. Now, what does that do? Well, it does. Sadly, all it does is build that the program's email list, right? Because once you send them an offer and they don't purchase that thing, right? Well, they've opted into that seller's email list. Now, if they end up buying that particular product, then you'll make a commission, of course, because you're tagged to that, right, with your Clickbank ID. But if that seller creates another product, they can just email their list and cut out the affiliate, right? This is why you need an email list. And this is the hardest thing and the most mental thing. And I know you're probably going to go, this video is boring, blah, 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 but this is reality, guys. Affiliate marketing is not hard. Keeping your mind in the game is what's hard. Okay? Affiliate marketing is not hard. That's not the hard part. It's keeping your mind in it and knowing that my goal is not to make sales. Well, it is to make sales, but really your goal is to build your email list. That is your number one goal. Build your list, build your list, build your list, right? That's what you need to be doing. You know, when you get focused on the sales will come as your list gets bigger. It's pretty much guaranteed. As long as you're sending an offer that is congruent with the list you built. Like if you build a list like that with that first page I showed you, which is basically how to make money online, and then you turn around and try to sell them health products, they're probably not going to be buying as much as if you show them other products on how to make money online. So here's the reality, and maybe you're one of these people. You've dabbled in affiliate marketing. You've tried this program, this program, this program, this program. You have a couple subscriptions going with programs. You don't want to give them up because maybe you've made a commission here or there, or it's a tool that you're using. That's great. That's like hang on to it. Hang on to those things. If you can afford to keep going on them, great. But number one, ask yourself, does each of those programs, A, have a recurring revenue portion to it? Like, does it have a subscription? Because if it doesn't have a subscription, it's only a one-time payment program, dump it. Secondly, does it allow you to skim off the emails that you collect when you send leads to that program, right? So either you're able to add your autoresponder, and an autoresponder is just an email. So if you don't know what an autoresponder is, you need to get one. It'll be in one of the links below. You need to get one. Actually, on the first link, go through that system. Just go through and pick an autoresponder, and that's what you're going to use. That's where you're going to build your list. So first off, it needs to have a recurring subscription, right? Because if you do the work once, you want to get paid over and over and over. Secondly, you need to be able to, when you're capturing a lead for that system, you need to be able to get that email to yourself into your autoresponder. Because if you ever leave that program or that program shuts down, you want those emails. You want to be able to market to them, right? And third, it has to have a value ladder. And a value ladder is very simple. And most really good programs now have a value ladder. A value ladder is just a type of sales funnel that basically introduces people to the product at a very low fee. Maybe it's a free ebook. Better is a paid what do we call it? A paid proposition. So basically, you're going to pay me a very small amount of money, and I'm going to give you something of great value, right? So maybe it's a $9 book, or a $7 book, or maybe it's a $27 course, right? That would be sort of, we call it a tripwire, or basically a program starting. From there, it goes to an upsell of either a full featured version of that product, or a subscription base of where you're going to get that product ongoing. You're going to get the training or whatever, or you're going to be able to use that tool over and over and over again, and it'll be a subscription based, right? Next on that is that so let's say someone buys a $7 product, and then they go, yeah, I want the $49 a month subscription, right? So they're going to go do the $49 a month subscription. Well, right after that, they're going to say, well, that's great. Now, to get the most out of it, we're going to give you all the bells and whistles, and we're going to give you this big training platform, this whole training thing, and we're going to teach you inside out the whole thing. It comes with a high price, but once you have that, you have this high price thing, and that would be a high ticket ticket product, right? So that's a value ladder. So to keep the program, whatever program you're in, you want to make sure it has a tripwire or a subscription based component, and a place to where you can put your autoresponder, where you can actually collect the emails so that you can put them on your list. and it has a value ladder where you can actually make a large commission at some time. If your program doesn't have at least two of those three things, I would get rid of it. I would look at other programs. You want to be smart with what you're going to focus on. And remember, though, right? The product is the end. The goal of an affiliate marketer, in my opinion, is to build an email list, because you basically want to get to that. You want that email list as big as possible, and you want to be adding to it every single day. That's how you win. Yeah, you're going to see a ton of videos on people showing you this way and that way, and 7 ways to make money online, and how affiliate marketing is so easy, and you just go take a link and you go broadcast it here. It's all kind of BS, guys, because what they're going to do is they're going to say, just like me, they're going to say, click the link at the bottom of this video to get started. And what is it? It's a program. It probably has a training on how to do that. It'll probably have a subscription base to be in the inner circle or whatever. And I'm not knocking this. I'm not saying this is bad. I this is what I promote, and I think you should promote, and I think you should belong to. And then it'll have a high ticket product in it. But they will train you on doing something easy, because they want to basically give you some value that they can show you a really hard way to do something, and then they're going to give you a much easier solution. So as you go out and watch these videos now, watch them, watch what they do, right? The other one is, this is how you blog, and this is how you do a bunch of blogging. And like I started out, be doing a blog, and then they're going to basically say, but if you don't want to do all that work, click the link below, and you're going to get a much easier way to do it. So back to the premise: making money online. Is it easy? Things that you do are easy. Make a video, write a blog. If you don't know how to write a blog, go buy some PLR, which is private label write stuff, or go buy, like, I've bought a 10,000 articles package, right? I think it was $100 for 10,000 articles. Guys, I put up I when I feel like blogging, which I don't do enough of, I'll just take one of those articles and I'll rewrite it, and then I'll put it on my blog. Boom. And then I'll put my ads in there to collect emails, and then I'll put it out on social media, and then it just sits there and it percolates and percolates and percolates, right? YouTube, same thing. I'm going to do this video for you, so people are going to come along here. I'm going to tell you to click the link below. I put my ads there, I collect your email, and then I market to you. That is it. So make money online. Is it easy? The steps you do are easy. The hard part is keeping this thing engaged, keeping this thing in the game. Like, this is the thing. So step-by-step affiliate training, guys. Build an email list, engage that list, and sell to that list. That is your goal, right? What you're selling, as long as it has the components, right? It has a subscription base, right? It has a place that you can collect the email, and it has a high ticket product. That's all that matters. So when you go to Clickbank, you may be looking for something that has high gravity, but it might be only like a single purchase, and that it doesn't have a recurring income. So I look for stuff that has, when I sort my Clickbank stuff that I'm going to put in my email, I look for stuff that has recurring billing, because I want someone to come in. And for example, just, another $50 happened today from Clickbank, because I'd signed someone up with again a $7 tripwire or a $9 tripwire, and they went in, and then boom, it's a $21. I think a couple of them hit today, another $21 commission, because it's a rebill, right? So I did the work once by sending that email to that person, and then it keep going and going. So guys, that's basically it. So back to make money online. Is it easy? The steps you do are easy. The hard thing is keeping your mind in the game. Now, if you want to build an email list virally, now this is not a get rich quick, and it's not going to be overnight. But if you have a budget, which is going to be a couple $100 a month, and you really want to build an email list, so let's say you have a job, you're trying to get out of your job, you're trying to get into the online world, then what you need to do, click the link below, join this, right? There's a couple things you're going to need to join. You join it. It's like, I think it's $400 for the year, and I think you might get 2 years out of it. I think they have a special running right now, so it'd be $400 for 2 years. Then you're a reseller. You're going to need an autoresponder. So the lowest price one is SendShark, is $25 a month. The highest one is, GetResponse and Aweber are both in there. Maybe you already have one of those accounts, so you don't have to purchase it. But if you do, they're about $20 a month. And then depending on how many subscribers you get, they charge you more and more, right? So when you're at 5,000 subscribers on Aweber, I think it's $30 a month on top of your, whatever your 15, $20 a month is. And then you're going to get something called Traffic Authority, where it's, there's a bunch of useful things. A, there's a bunch of really cool training there, but B, they have something where you can cloak your links, right? Because you're going to be broadcasting to your list, and you're going to be cloaking your links. Now, the other thing that Traffic Authority has is you get to participate in whoever you refer to it. When they buy traffic, you get commissions on it. And there's the high ticket commission. So for example, Traffic Authority is exactly what I was talking about. You get to put in your autoresponder, so you can collect the email. B, it's a subscription base, so you get paid monthly for your affiliates subscriptions, and it has a high ticket product. Simple. I'll put a couple more links into other programs I'm talking about. Check them out. All of them have like 30-day money-back guarantees, so there's nothing that you're going to lose out on. But check them out and go see how they work. See if they are for you. See if it's something that you want to promote. Maybe there's other things that you want to promote. That's great. But remember those components that you want to do. So again, going back to, if you want to make money online, is it easy? Yes, the steps are easy. The hard thing is keeping your mind in it. And I know I've said that over and over and over, but I really wanted to sort of drive that home, is that it's really hard to keep your mind in it, because you're going to go for weeks or months where you're not going to be seeing commissions. But as long as you're building your list, it will come, right? It's just, it's kind of like, just think if you were going to make a whiskey, right? You're starting today. Well, when do you think you're going to sell your first whiskey? 7 years from now. But once the 7 years goes around and you hit it off with that first whiskey, the next year you're going to sell more, and the next year you're going to go sell. Now, that's an extreme example, but think about it, right? Maybe you can get away with some early whiskey. I'd go into distilled products like vodka and gin. It's like you can sell it immediately, but you know what I mean. Like so going back to build your list. Watch some YouTube videos, but really, guys, find a program that builds your list. Buy traffic, point traffic at it. Do YouTube videos talking about it, telling people to log in. Buy traffic, make a blog pointing people to it, and just build that list, because that is your number one asset. Because all the other programs can go away. Affiliate programs will come and go, but your list is your list. So let's say you're rocking it, you're making 10 grand a month from this program, right? Now, boom, that program's gone. You're like, oh no. Now, if you haven't built a list, what are you going to do? You're kind of stuck. If you build a list, you can be like, cool, let's find another program like that, and let's market to my list and get a bunch of people into that and get that going. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it is, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and click the link. Bye.